Hi everyone, this is our T Family Vlogs. Here we're getting ready for our puppy. So what I did was I put the gates that we used to use when they were babies to playtime, and I made a little area in the kitchen, and we got his bowls and his bed and a little crate. Don't worry, we're not going to shut him up in the crate. Just little place for him to go, and we got the little pee pad, and the cats. We'll see what happens with the cats, right, Katie? Katie's eating right now. Hi, Katie. Katie. See, she's excited. Say hi. Okay. So here, Sarah's room. And there's Penelope. Hi, Penelope. Say meow. Say meow. No? You don't care? Okay. Hi, Katie. Katie, say meow. Meow. Katie. Katie. What's that? What's that? We getting ready for a new puppy? Yep, so we got everything ready for the puppy. Hopefully he'll be coming home soon. We got a bed and a bowls, pee-pee pad, a little crate for him to go in when he's scared. So I used all from when the kids were little, all the little fences. We used to fence them in for a playpen. So we'll see. Katie, what are you doing? Yeah, see, she talks back to me. All right, see you soon. Bye. So we're taping. Say hi, Sarah. Ready for the new puppy?
Yeah!
What are we naming the new puppy?
Stitch.
What are you going to do with the puppy?
Oh, no. Nothing.
Nothing? Are you... Hi, Beth.
Hi.
You ready for the new puppy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shame on you.
I always say that.
Let's go follow. Just kidding.
Hey, guys. We're going to get the puppy right now. We're really excited.
Yeah.
Woo! Stitch.
The right.
Right. All right, guys. So we just got the puppy, and he's really small. There's Sarah. Mommy is holding him. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Look how small he is. Look, Stitch. And so we're gonna see how this goes. Sarah couldn't hold him because he was jumping everywhere. See you guys later. Bye. Bye.
Say hi to Stitch.
He jumped on my lap.
Oh, you don't work. You're off.
You feel that little tail. It's shaking.
He'll be okay.
Stitch, come here. Stitch, come here. You don't want to go on my lap? Oh, you like my hands, huh?
Here comes Penelope.
Say
Hey,
hello.
look. Go see Kylie.
Her tail's puffy.
Okay.
Okay, this
So
is
is
a
Katie.
family video. Papa's cursing. Oh, okay, I thought he cursed. Nothing, it's fine, Dad.
Uh-oh. Penelope doesn't look good.
They're, sweetie, they don't know him yet, so just relax.
Yeah.
You like me? Come on. You like me? What are you doing?
Jumped under the
Baby puppy. Say hi.
the other room.
Say hi.
They bring home now.
Say hi.
Oh, he's sliding.
See, I knew I didn't have to be here.
What's he doing? Hey, Stitch.
Oh, come here. Ah, ooh, you okay?
He said, boy, there's a big mountain. Look at it moves too. What the heck is so
Stop!
You're
You're making him scared.
What, honey?
You're making me laugh and he's getting
And
scared.
there's the cats. They're just watching, kind of waiting. Right, Penelope?
Kind of waiting for that dog to get loose so they can attack him.
Beth, lay down so I can tell him to go on you. I don't want him to go. Stitch,
Are you going to keep the dog in there?
good doggy.
Well, for now,
He's
yes.
sliding. He's sliding.
I thought when the dog comes out, do we put Brian in there? Do we put the girls in there?
We saw the other dogs too, and they were barking really loud.
Were they?
Because we took your
You should have taken one of them, too. You could have had two. They're awful small.
Oh. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, your elbow. It tickles. No. We have to stay close together. He could fall.
Okay, you can sit there, Brian.
No, I gotta go
It
move cars.
You got what?
Move cars.
Guys, so right now the dog is sleeping, which yeah, so we're gonna take him out later, but we're just like checking in with you guys. So we're gonna show you his little like cabana. So here's the little tiny dog there in his bed, which is one of the things we're gonna show you.
Over
There's
on the left.
Katie. Say hi, Katie.
Then we have the food bowl.
And water. There's the water right there. And there's no food yet. Here's the little food. We got small paws. Oh, there's Penelope. He is part Shih Tzu and part Chihuahua.
Yeah. So he's
So
gonna be really tiny.
this is his little food
Then
thing.
if you turn this,
It's his little puppy pad in case he has to go to the bathroom, which he's not fully trained yet.
he.
I said he, I think. So yeah.
And then we have his cage over here.
Well, yeah. So, yep. Then there is huge. He's so used to the camera. I don't know how, but I think he was. Look how cute he is. We love him. Oh, his eyeball. Do. But we can't forget about her. For her. Yeah.
I'll be back.
So,
Wait, Mama, I want to see.
we will see you guys later when we actually walk him outside, which is when he'll wake up, but it doesn't look like he's gonna wake up anytime soon. Is he peeing? Wouldn't his leg?
Looks like
Hey guys,
avocado, like
good
he's gonna make
morning. Well,
guacamole.
to us. We just woke up and we are.
Don't call him out. Oh no.
Oh, we opened the gate a little for him, but it was a mess.
Stitch walked out with Sarah Carey.
And so,
One Stitch.
there he is.
Stitch. 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 Look.
So, he opened it so he can walk around the kitchen.
He could show people
Stitch,
the
come here,
delicious
Stitch.
breakfast.
Look, Stitch.
Dad is making some eggs for
Look,
us.
Stitch.
Good morning.
Come on, Stitch.
Well, for us.
Come on, Stitch.
Stitch, come here. Oh, he's shaking because of the camera. It's just the camera.
Oh yeah?
He don't like the camera. Well, we gotta get him used to it. But
Over here.
Mom's just sitting over here while we're watching TV, and we're gonna take him out later to play or something. But here's Katie. Say hi, Katie.
Come on,
Did he
Stitch.
call back yet?
Stitch,
I didn't do it yet.
Why? I want to see mommy.
Hi.
Stitch,
Make
come
sure
on.
you have that. You gotta hold it up high enough so
Mom,
it's
he
not.
barked. Like this.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes.
He barked at them.
Barked at that other
Go ahead.
dog.
Come on, Stitch.
Wait,
Stitch.
wait. Car.
So I have to hold it like this.
Careful, cause that'll go around his neck. Be
Come on,
careful.
Stitch. Stitch.
Say
Stitch.
come.
Here.
Stitch,
Stitch,
come.
come on.
Go ahead, Beth.
I can't.
Call him.
Pull it. Stitch. Run. 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 Run.
Oh, he runs pretty
He
fast.
does run pretty fast.
No, I'm talking about in the pool deck even. Hi.
Your first walk.
His first run.
Sarah, let go of the dog. I can't
buddy.
because it's going to get under his legs. Come on, let's go run.
My leg.
Come on, let's go run. Can we go
Hi, buddy.
run?
Hi.
Beth, come on, let's go run.
Just
Stitch.
hold that thing.
Come on.
Picking that
Yo,
up later.
yo.
where are you going?
Oh my god. Ah.
Uh-oh.
What did you?
Puppy. Stitch. Stitch.
Come on, Stitch.
Can I go check? Okay. You gotta go pee? It's okay.
Check.
Sure.
I want him to pee well. No, you can't eat that. You're okay. So he is basically eating anything he can find. He hasn't gone.
Guys, this is from September 13th, 2019. I know it's been a long time. Stitch is doing great. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're in quarantine, so I'm just finishing out the old videos I've never edited. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!